Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Iran ng India 86-53. Top performer si Ben Hamyachali sa likod ng kanyang 15 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Wagi naman ang serya kontra sa Arab Emirates 78-63. Pinangunahan ni Javier Coleman Blake ang serya sa likod ng kanyang 19 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists. Panalo naman ang Kazakhstan kontra sa Qatar 73-68. Top performer si Anton Baikov sa kanyang 19 points, 7 rebounds. Pinataob naman ng Jordan ang Saudi Arabia 79-64. Nag-ambag naman ng 19 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 blocks si Rondae Hollis Jefferson para sa bansang Jordan. Wagi din ang Iraq kontra sa Palestine 75-72. Tinambakan naman ng Lebanon ang Bahrain 94-63. Pinangunahan ni Wael Arakji ang Lebanon sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists. Para naman sa Bahrain, humakot ng 14 points, 14 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 blocks si Devon Dwayne Chisem. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of February 26, 2024. Sa Group A, Australia 2 wins 0 loss, South Korea 1 win 1 loss, Thailand 1 win 1 loss, Indonesia 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group B, Gilas Pilipinas 2 win 0 loss, New Zealand 2 win 0 loss, Hong Kong 0 win 2 losses, Chinese Taipei 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group C, Japan 2 win 0 loss, China 1 win 1 loss, Guam 1 win 1 loss, Mongolia 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group D, Jordan 2 win 0 loss, Saudi Arabia 1 win 1 loss, Iraq 1 win 1 loss, Palestine 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group E, Iran 2 win 0 loss, Kazakhstan 2 win 0 loss, Qatar 0 win 2 losses, India 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group F, Lebanon 2 win 0 loss, Syria 1 win 1 loss, Bahrain 1 win 1 loss, United Arab Emirates 0 win 2 losses. Sa darating na November 21 hanggang November 25, 2024, ang FIBA Asia Cup 2025 qualifier second window. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.